Hello, this is Sean with Wheelchair Plus. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to check for a bad motor. A lot of times you get a flash code on a joystick and you may not know what it is. This will help narrow down between a couple of things. So what I'm doing here is I have one battery and I have these wires hooked to it. And for this test I'm just going to put the negative wire in the black and the red wire in the positive. These are 24 volt motors, but they'll still spin a little bit on 12 volts. If your motor doesn't spin at all, that's a sign that it's locked up and that's your problem. So you want to very carefully put these cables on. You want to make sure that you don't touch them to each other. Right now I have the negative already pushed in to prevent me from accidentally touching it. So I'm going to touch it to the red and make sure if this motor spins at all or not. There we go. As you see, it's spinning and it's functioning fine. So that narrows it down. Thank you for watching.